When motorcycle suddenly won't start, it is easy to ask, is the battery bad? In OUTDO's quick check process, we do not start with the conclusion. We check step by step. First, look at the battery. Check for swelling, leakage, case damage, overheating, or unusual smell. If you see any of these, do not keep charging or testing on vehicle. Take photos first and contact OUTDO. If the battery looks safe, check the connection, loose terminal, corrosion, dirty contact points, or poor contact can stop the current from flowing properly. If the connection is fine, measure the battery's stated voltage. This means the voltage when the battery is not charging or starting. The reading helps decide the next step. Test it on the vehicle, recharge and recheck, or contact OUTDO. When the battery appearance, connection, voltage, and recheck are all clear, the shop can make a faster judgment and explain the situation to the customer with more confidence. For the full quick check process for starting problem, you can contact OUTDO for customer support materials.